I'm Somdev Devarman, and as Varun said, I am one of the co-founders of Wild Warrior, along with Vikram, Varun, and another co-founder of us, Arun, who's unfortunately not here. Um, so when we co-founded Wild Warrior in 2018, I think the vision behind it was we obviously recognized that India was on the journey, very very much on its journey towards actually becoming fitter. You could see the participation increase in pretty much every category. And so one of the things we figured is that one thing we would really like to contribute to is towards that movement, and also kind of do it in our own way, in our own style. I think a lot of us over here have had the experience of running in some really, really spectacular races all throughout the world, and we figured, why not bring something like that to India? And considering that the trajectory in which the fitness market is moving towards, it really makes sense that Wild Warrior will be something that the entire fitness industry really embraces and enjoys. So that's kind of why we've put Wild Warrior together. These events, they're one of a kind. I think everybody who's kind of taken part really loves the event for the uniqueness of the challenges, as well as the spectacular venues in which we do it. We've done a race in Kodaikanal. We've done races on the beaches over here. We've done things that nobody else in this side of the world has even attempted. So I think we're very proud with that. And given how difficult it is right now with COVID, I think first of all, we just have to really applaud the entire Wild Warrior team for even attempting to put something like this together. And for all the participants who are coming, ensure that we'll do our very best to make sure, obviously, you're safe, and also, really have fun and leave with some memories that you're going to keep with you forever. And so once again, thank you guys for coming here, listening to us, and we hope everybody who takes part in the Wild Warrior events, really absolutely loves it, because at the end of the day, that's what we're all about.
Thank you, Somdev. So with that, I think we'll just move on with the next section of this meet. So I'd just like to give a little bit of background of what's happened with Wild Warrior over the last 3 years. So in the last 3 years, we've conducted over 30 events, primarily obstacle course races, as well as a few triathlons and trail runs, and adventure-based races. The whole idea behind Wild Warrior is that it's to build a wild community, get people out into nature, and be, as so mentioned, in the mountains, in the beaches, and really make use of this, of the spectacular natural resources that we have in India, and use them for fitness and other types of activities that do not degrade them in any way. So moving on, one thing is, of course, COVID's been a huge dampener in a lot of ways and has really destroyed the economy, and there's been a lot of trouble with COVID. However, one positive that we've seen coming out of it is that a lot of people have started taking fitness more seriously. So we've noticed that, if you're healthier, if you're fitter, if you have better immunity, then you're likely to fight the disease a lot better. So with that in mind, we've, most of our physical events came to a stop. Our last event was the video that you saw, which was an event in February in Sheraton on the East Coast Road in Chennai. But after that, we've been resorting to virtual events. So we've done about 3 virtual events so far, all of them over a month-long period. And we started in the complete lockdown when we allowed people to do virtual fitness events from the safety and comfort of their homes. So there were over 500 participants in this virtual event, where they would do a 2-minute fitness workout in their homes and send that video to us. And it was a challenge, so we'd see who can do the most number of certain exercises in 2 minutes. And then the exercise would change the next week. So we managed to keep people very engaged over this time period through these fitness challenges. We also had outdoor running events where people could run and have their activity logged on a smartphone, and then upload it to a Strava where it would be on a leaderboard. We also have an upcoming virtual event called the Wild Warrior Virtual Duathlon, which allows people to cycle and run short, very doable distances, so 15-kilometer cycle followed by a 3K run, and then 2 weeks later, a 25-kilometer cycle followed by a 5K run. So that's what we have coming up on the virtual side. However, I think this is the most exciting thing, and the reason we're all here is that we have our first physical event after the pandemic set in. and this is going to be the Himalayan Adventure Challenge. That's going to take place in the beautiful town of Rishikesh in Uttarakhand.
Good evening, everybody. Ellarkum vanakkam. Thank you so much for coming out today. Ellarum mask potittirukanga. Everyone's being very safe. It's really nice to see everyone get back to the new normal. Vela pannano, and there's no other way, but we need to be safe. And the Wild Warrior Himalayan Adventure Challenge. Na enna panna porena, I'm doing the 30-kilometer challenge. And why am I doing the 30-kilometer challenge? I think over the last few months, during this whole COVID time, when the pandemic struck, and none of us knew what to do, the one thing that I think was removed from all our lives was purpose. And with a sense of purpose, I don't think any of us can achieve anything. And I think a lot of us felt let down. We didn't know what to do. And that is why I decided that maybe this would be something really good for me to do. I'm turning 30 this December. So that's like, yeah, that's a great thing. It's an achievement. It's a milestone for sure. They say it's impolite to ask a woman her age, but please go ahead. I think it's the best thing you can do to her. So I'm turning 30, and I decided to do the 30-kilometer challenge. And I still felt like I could push myself. And this time I've decided to run to raise awareness and funds. To raise awareness and funds for the Tiara Hemophilia and Cancer Foundation and other charities that I believe in. And I feel like that's something that I'm looking forward to. I haven't taken up a challenge like this ever before. This is a first, and what a better age to start at than at 30. We have a team of 4 members. I have Shekhar, Kuti Surf, and Anand and myself. The 4 of us will be running this race. Like you heard, Varun said the 30-kilometer challenge is a 16-kilometer trail run, trek, and 14-kilometer rafting.
So most of the rafting is going to be on you.
Oh no. The boys are very good with the water. So it's going to be fun. I have a really good team. We haven't come up with our team name yet. All of us are a little stuck, but I think we'll get there soon. I am really, really revved up to do this, and I hope that through this, a lot of y'all would also find that little purpose in your life and work towards it. This is mine for this year, and yeah. And I would like to thank Wild Warrior for all the good that they've done to bring about the culture of sport in our country. Everyone's doing their little bit, and you guys have done an amazing job so far, you know. So it's really nice to be a part of this. Another thing, from the 4th of December to the 14th of December, apparently there's a meteor shower and we can see it really well. So it's going to be very clear from the mountains in Rishikesh. That's another thing I'm looking forward to. Mix of adventure, mix of nature, mix of fun, and for a cause. So all of this put together, I think it's going to be a great 30th birthday, and I'm looking forward to this. And there will be a link put up on this Saturday, the 7th of November, on my social media handles and on the Wild Warrior page. So do go ahead, see what you can do, and any way that you can be a part of this, that will be great. Thank you so much. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మీ రెజీనా కెసాండ్రా, అండ్ ఇవాళ మనం వైల్డ్ వారియర్ హిమాలయన్ అడ్వెంచర్ ఛాలెంజ్ ప్రెస్ మీట్లో ఉన్నా. అండ్ నేను దీని గురించి ఎందుకు మాట్లాడుతున్నానంటే, నేను పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయబోతున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ పార్ట్ ఇన్ ద 30-kilometer ఛాలెంజ్. ఈ హిమాలయన్ అడ్వెంచర్ ఛాలెంజ్లో 3 ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఒక 65-kilometer ఛాలెంజ్, 30-kilometer ఛాలెంజ్ అండ్ 10-kilometer ఛాలెంజ్. నేను ఎందుకు 30-kilometer ఛాలెంజ్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నానంటే, ఇట్స్ మై 30th birthday దిస్ డిసెంబర్, అండ్ December 13th నా బర్త్డే. సో December 12th ఈ ఛాలెంజ్ ఉంది. సో నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది ఉంది ఒక యూనో కొత్త కొత్త ఇది ట్రై చేయడానికి సంథింగ్ న్యూ ఇన్ లైఫ్ నేను ఎప్పుడు చేయలేదు యాక్చువల్లీ ఉత్తరాఖండ్ రిషికేష్లో చేస్తున్నాం మేము సో ఇట్స్ గోన్ బీ క్రేజీ డిసెంబర్లో అండ్ ఆ టైంలో ఒక మీటియార్ షవర్ కూడా ఉంది సో ఇట్స్ గోన్ బీ రియలీ నైస్ యూనో ఒక అడ్వెంచరస్ బర్త్డే సెలబ్రేట్ చేయడానికి ఆల్సో ఇది చాలా ఎందుకు చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్గా ఉంది నాకు అంటే I am doing this run to raise awareness for a few of the charities that I believe in, that I'm a part of, and awareness and funds raise cheyadaniki chestunnanu. The link ee November 7th ki link untundi na social media handles lo and also on the Wild Warrior page. So do come take part in it. Oka virtual challenge kuda undi. You can actually come and do whatever you want to do. Sign up chesi, you know, and you can cycle 30 kilometers, run 30 kilometers, maybe cycle and run or swim, whatever you'd like to do. Thank you.
Can you just ask them to register on the website?
Yeah. Also Wild Warrior website undi. 1 second, hold on. www.wildwarrior.com. Also register cheyalante you have to do it on www.wildwarriorrace.com and akkada velli you'll have all the information about the race and how to take part and you'll also have information about the 30 for 30. Thank you.